So today I'm gonna do a quick morning routine. Okay, so let's get started. Well, I'm already cleaned my face, so eye cream. Normally I use serum, but I forgot my serum, so moisturizer. Actually, right now it's 6:30 in the morning. I'm kind of quiet. Relaxation morning. I'm using this one because it comes with sunscreen, and the instructions say that you can use as a primer as well. So okay, formality purple. So I have to bring a lot of stuff. Normally just dot this on like this, and then start to gently pat everything in. Pat with a little bit of rub, but not too much rubbing. I don't have a good skin anymore because my skin quite sensitive for some reason. So whatever product that I use, I try to be more careful with it. And then I just let it soak in for about 15 seconds. Then I go on with my foundation. I feel I like the one that with like cold red, but the thing is that it got scarring right here, from the acne. So that's why I try to go for something that a bit on the medium cold red side. I only apply a light layer on my whole face and hand, and take the thing that left on my hand and dot it on the scarring area where it is more cold. Like on the day that I'm going to meet with Paul, I use foundation like this, but on a normal day I just go for a powder foundation. And then doing a little bit concealer. This one is from Maybelline. It's affordable and it's easy to use. Just under the eye. This thing is a bit dark. I bought this one, it's a bit dark color. I should get a new one. And then I put some around my nose area. Just around, I don't put on completely because I find it looks so cakey for some reason when I put it on. Use the foundation brush we just used and I feel like when you are a guy and you're doing makeup, it's a bit hard than the girl, because like the girl when you more is okay, but when the guy you have to be careful when you're doing it because you don't want people to know that you have something on your face. But again, people know but there's something on my face. But whatever. Then what next? what next? Okay, Chili powder foundation from L'Oreal, because since I have the foundation on, and this one is also powder foundation, I'm not gonna use it a lot because otherwise it looks so cakey during the day. So I got this mini one from Too Faced, and yeah, I'm gonna get another one. It's not much different though, but I like it. This one is from the Cosmetic. See that? Look fine. For my eye, I don't use much thing on my eye, but I like it have a sheen on there, so I just use this Cosmetic palette one that I got from a friend. This kind of color, and I use this a little bit deeper shade on the outer corner. For sometimes that when I'm lazy, I just use sometimes I just use my bronzer on the eye. I also use a pencil brush, the dark brown shade, to connect the bottom line. But make sure it's not too much. Brown and stays here. I like this one because you have two sets to work with. The end of my brow is not supposed to be here. So I just draw some hair stroke over there to make it look like my real brow. And I like this product because it doesn't look too much when you apply it on. Or sometimes I just go with the brow gel, but I'm running out of brow gel, so I have to use this one. I like thicker brow, but I don't like when it looks too fake. You feel you can always brush it like this to blend everything to the lip. Just a normal lip balm. And then sometimes when I want to put on a highlight, I just use the top one right here. I don't like bring a lot of stuff with me, so I just bring some, and then, but I'm not gonna put it directly to my face. I put it on my hand first, and then I just dab it a little bit. Not dab swipe, you can swipe, but it is gentle swipe. That's it.